Looking for the best green supplement and wondering if you can buy it with your HSA or FSA? Here's what registered dietitians and the research actually say. The best green supplement, often called a super greens powder, is a concentrated blend of dried plant ingredients like spinach, kale, wheatgrass, barley grass, spirulina, and chlorella, designed to mix into water or smoothies. Dietitians call them a nutrition asset, not a replacement for whole vegetables. A quality green supplement can help fill nutrient gaps on busy days, support micronutrient intake, and add convenience when vegetables are hard to come by. What they won't do, though, is replace the fiber, hydration, and satiety of real produce, or magically boost your energy. When choosing the best green supplement, look for these three things: transparent labels with listed ingredient amounts, not vague proprietary blends; third-party testing like NSF certified for sport or USP verified; and minimal added sugars. Top-rated Super Greens powder picks include AG1 Next Gen for a balanced all-in-one Super Greens powder, and Grune's Green Gummies for a convenient on-the-go option. Here's what most people miss. The best green supplements could be eligible for HSA or FSA spending for qualified customers, saving an average of 30% in the process. Shop potentially HSA FSA eligible supplements at truemed.com.